guys, we're out here near Moab and we're showcasing these new Benro 100mm filters and filter holders, the adapters. This whole kit is really cool. It's got this innovative design and we want to show you what we're working with now because it's really different from what we've been working with in the past. It's made of aluminum, so it's super lightweight. It's not adding a lot of weight to my pack. And the circular polarizer is actually integrated into this design, so it's not a separate element that screws onto your lens. It screws directly into the adapter, which is really neat. It's also got this great quick release feature, which is completely different from anything I've ever used before, where I can remove it from one lens, snap it quickly onto another lens, and I'm not wasting any time there trying to screw it in. And it comes with 77mm and 82mm adapter rings, and you can get step-up rings in other sizes to fit all the lenses in your kit. The system is really easy to work with. You screw the adapter ring to the front of your lens, and then you use this quick release mechanism to snap the filter holder onto that adapter ring. And then you can screw in your circular polarizer, and you can put a couple of filters in front of the circular polarizer as well. So you have so many options with this system. It's wide open so you can make the most of your creative vision. The filter holder can fit a 95mm circular polarizer filter, so you're completely avoiding vignetting even with a 16mm wide-angle lens. These circular polarizer filters are super thin, they're incredibly lightweight, and best of all, once I've got that circular polarizer in my filter holder, I can put filters in front of it and still adjust my circular polarizer easily using the dial in the back. And it allows for a really smooth and precise adjustment. It might be my favorite feature of this Benro filter system. This system also comes with lightweight frames for the square and rectangular filters that we use, our GND and ND filters. The frames protect the edges of your filters, and they help eliminate fingerprints and smudges, and they also help keep your filters secure in the holder so they don't slide. If you're using a graduated neutral density filter, you can use the gear system that's built into this filter holder to adjust your filter up and down in the holder very smoothly and precisely. If you're using a neutral density filter for a very long exposure, the frames will reduce light leak, which is always a good thing. The gears and the frames working together make it really easy to adjust your filters, avoid light leak, and make the most of your filter system for each photo that you take. Benro's system is also backwards compatible, so if you already own filters, they'll work with the new system. We have individual frames for each of our filters, so there's no need to fiddle with the frames in the field. You're just pulling it straight out of your camera bag and it's ready to use. These new filters are made of hardened glass, they're 2mm thick, and the neutral density filters and graduated neutral density filters have a completely neutral color cast. We love that Benro is constantly working to make its system better. The features in this new system are hands above the rest.